Good morning, class 8, and welcome back. First lesson was going on, and actually today we are going to start the part 4, and we are going to complete the story today. And you know, the Satdal Club is right now in the midst of the searching the person, and the club somehow came to know about the person now. Some members have reached on the Harlal's house. Now what is happening next? We are going to read. You may not remember, but we met briefly about 5 years ago in the Dharani Mukherjee's house. What is happening? Actually, they met with the Harlal, as they are knowing, and what they are making discussion. And here the members are telling, so once we have met, where we have met Dharani Mukherjee's house, and you were doing something, you were doing some your business there. What business? Actually, that means the Harlal is painter. He will be in the midst of painting there. I see. He said, yes, I remember. We wanted to talk to you about something. Said Padnavesh, could we come in now? Padnavesh, along with his members, some members from the club, wanting to take the permission because they want to go inside the home, because they will set up their will, and because it is all about Padnavesh needs a person. The person must be the gravity pull, and right now the Harlal is full of such kinds of gravity. The living room was to be left. There were a few framed painting on the wall. At the bottom of each one, clearly visible, was painter's signature H. Chakravarti. H. Chakravarti is Harlal Chakravarti. Except for these, the room was divided of any trimmings. The visitors sat on the wooden stair and a wooden bench. Now, what is happening? First, you need to understand what the word devoid. That means lack of anything, or there will be missing of anything. Here what is happening? When they go inside the home, they are wandering all about the home. They are seeing there are some paintings, and in the bottom name has a signature has given H. Chakravarti, that is Harlal Chakravarti. In such means they understood, yes, this is all about, all the creation goes in the favor of Harlal Chakravarti. In spite of this, there was some missing, lacking. That means they came to know there must be something lagging behind or missing behind. कुछ तो कमी है घर में. When we finish the story, on that time we will understand what is divided in the home. Just now we can't understand, but when we will finish the lesson, we will understand what was divided. किस चीज की कमी थी? We have come from the Satdal Club. Begin Padnavesh. The secretary started speaking. He is telling, we have come from the Satdal Club. We have a function every year. The students, you are understanding everything. That is the Satdal Club. What is Satdal Club? What this club does? What this club does every year? Now, they are telling we have a function every year to celebrate the first Baisakhi, that is the Bengali New Year. There is usually music or one act play and the reception given in the honor of the someone who has made a significant contribution to our art and culture. He is telling we are celebrating every year Bengali New Year known as Baisakhi, and in that function what we prepare, this function is consisted of music, singing, play, and at the last time we honor a person, and person must be the person's contribution must be in any field, maybe in the society, maybe the field of maybe for the country, maybe for the world, and in such case the person must be respected. If the person's quality will be like this, definitely the person will be respected. So they are telling they must make, or someone must make a significant contribution. That's an important contribution. The person must have given his contribution towards building society, especially in the field of art and culture. And which type of person? The club wanting a person from Bengali culture. Must be gravity-full, but should be from Bengali culture only. Okay. This time we thought of you, I mean you live in the same town and yet not many people know about you. So, no, Prathamesh is telling that you are living the same town as in Kolkata. We are living, and you too doing. We are living in Kolkata, and what is happening? You have such gravity, such potency. Your contribution towards building society is large enough. In spite of this many people, that means the hardly people knowing about you. So if I shall invite you at my club, in my party, in my function, and when you will be given honor, many people will know about you. And the work of our club is to emit all kinds of fault. That means if someone's contribution is large enough in any field, especially in Bengal, and it in spite of these people, that person is not in the memory of the people. So, and in such case, we do something so that such forgetting people go in the memories of many people. Now, what is happening? I see, but what does this reception really entail? Entail is all about involve. What will more go in the function? No, he's telling, no, oh, nothing much. He has told everything, music, dancing, something like this. We will come and collect you at around 6 in the evening. Your reception will be the last item in our function. A citation will be presented. Mr. Bakshi here will say a few words about you, and in the end, if you yourself could give a short speech, we would all be very pleased. The whole thing would be over by 9 a.m. By when you are adding by with time, that means you are telling at the starting of time. That means by 9, that means by clocking the 9, striking over the 9. When it will be 9 o'clock, we will finish everything. Now, Prathamesh is telling, he has told what will go in the function, and he is telling a person will go to you in the means of picking you up from there, and he will be there at your home at around 6 o'clock. After that, you will come, and actually your reception will go at the last of the program, and you will be called. Bakshi will hold the mic there, and he will call you, and that Prathamesh is telling it will be better if you will speak something there. You will also speak something. You will also give your speech there in the means of making us feel by your important words. Now, at the point, Akshay Bakshi raised a different issue. What the other issue he is going to make? What is different purpose? We would like an introduction about you. Now, the club is demanding introduction. What introduction? What your background? We will consider there. Directly we will not go there and tell. Now, I would like to invite Harlal Chakravarti, a famous artist, on the stage. This is not all about. Something we want to go in depth. Your background, your contribution, they want to make. Everyone learned how, after graduation from the government art school, Harlal had a struggle to establish himself as a professional artist. Now, he is getting some idea. After that, what is happening? After getting idea through Harlal, now they all decided, we don't want to use your background in vain. We want to highlight you and we want to make people aware about your importance, about your background. Therefore, they are telling everyone will learn about you. What they will learn? Everyone learn how after graduation you have done your graduation from government art school. After that, what happened? Harlal had struggled to establish himself as a professional artist, but Harlal, what he tried, he has given his everything because he wanted to be a professional artist. Because that means he wanted to he wanted to run himself or his family on being artist only. He will give all kinds of support in the means of becoming artist or doing everything. He will do everything as being artist. Now what is happening? 56 books had been published in a mythological series that continued his illustration. In addition to is all about besides. A large number of children's magazines that also published his pictures. What is happening? He is telling that we will also disclose their mythological, that is the old stories about you. How many books are about your story? 56 books had been published, and they all are depicting, that means describing about your illustration, that means about your arts. And in addition to that means besides. Expecting this, what you have done? Large number of the children's magazine that also published his picture. That means in children magazine you have been published, and there you have also exposed your contribution. Now, Rai Bahadur L.K. Gupta had given him a silver medal. For what purpose L.K. Gupta had given him a silver medal? Because he was great artist. In the field of artist, he earned. Finally, at the age of 62, the arthritis affected his right thumb, forcing him to retire. But when Harlal became 62 years old, he got infected by what? By arthritis. That means joint pain, known as gathia. And he got retired. He started leaving his job because he stopped enjoying his job because he was suffering from joint pain. When it was his turn to speak, Harlal expressed his appreciation for the effort made by Safdar Club and said just one thing about himself: I do not deserve such praise. His humility made a deep impression on audience. But when it was time of Harlal to speak something, he had gone over stage and he is speaking from there that overall I am not deserving the honor I am being given. I am not deserving this. And finally, whatever he told from there, all the people completely became attracted with his speech. The next day someone left. Now what is happening next? The next day someone left a packet of a club office. Packet in the club office. That means the function had ended the next day. What is happening? It was addressed to the Fadnavis. He opened it and found, to his utter surprise, the framed citation given a Harlal a day before. It was accompanied by a note that said, accompanied, that means along with. After one day of function, what is happening? A person has come with a note, a recitation lecture, and what is happening? It was addressed to Fadnavis. When Fadnavis took it and opened, he became utter surprised. He became surprised. What? The citation I have honored to the Harlal, but citation had returned back. Why it returned? and after that a note has been written along with citation. Now we will understand what note is telling, and after reading the note we will understand everything beautifully. Note is telling to the Secretary Sapdal Club, dear sir, I could see when you called on me the other day that you were indeed in a difficult situation and had decided to give a reception for Harlal Chakravarti simply because there was no other alternative. Call on, we have already decided, call on is all about you are going somewhere in the midst of appealing person. You have come to me, all people have also come, they have come to the Harlal house and they wanted to make them appeal that you have need to go to in our function in the means of getting the reception. Now he is telling you have on that day you have come, and why you wanted to give a citation honor, and you have come to me because on that time you had no any alternative, you don't have other person, and in compulsion you have come. I am thrilled to have been able to play the role of your savior. Savior is all about someone who protects you. And he is telling, I became much excited when I have been given this role. But I feel obliged to return the citation for two reasons. First, I can see that it may be used quite easily next year for a different person. All you need to do is to change the name and the date. He is telling, sir, we have two options and two purpose for giving you, for returning you. Why I am returning? You have need to notice. First, if you will erase only date and name, you will use same citation in other year, in the next year. And after that he is telling that and secondly, it is true that I do not really deserve it. He is telling, I do not deserve, I am not deserving this honor. Why? The artist Harlal Chakravarti died 3 years ago in this town. He was my elder brother. He is telling, he was my brother. The person you were searching for was my brother. He was passed 2 years back. I worked as a clerk in the post office. I happened to be here on week's holiday. You're truly, he is telling, I am here on holiday. I want to spend my holiday because I have got the week's holiday. Therefore, I am here. And I accepted your proposal because I saw you in problem, in compulsion, therefore, and you had no any other alternative. Okay, dear students, now we are going to finish. Thank you, and must memorize your all kinds of words and sentences.